So this is a made by Mitchell eyeshadow tutorial for the palette called Snakebite. Look at these colours. You can see how much I've used them as well. Yes, I love it. So we're going to go straight in. So the names of them are Rattle, Venom, Python, Cobra, Envy. So all over, let's so I've put eye primer on because I would like it to stay put. Okay, so that's a nice base. So we're going to go straight in with Cobra, which is the quite dark one. That's going to be along there. And it will be the one that goes underneath as well. I'll tell you what, this e.l.f. eye primer is pretty good. I think I've said it before, you can't really make a mistake with it because it's like zero forgiving. You literally have to go down to the skin again if you wanted to redo something. Okay, so that's gone under there. We tied it all up afterwards. I mean, that's a stunning colour. That is a very lovely colour. But we want to bring the two together so that it's not such a noticeable line. And we're going to use the one called Venom. They're quite pigmented, so this one we're going to bring into there because it's just slightly lighter and bring the two colours together. So that's what we've got so far. And we're going to take the dark brown here and just put a few little bits on the edge there, give it some depth. Just a tiny bit. And bring it in a little bit. We're going to use the one on the end called Envy, quite close to the lash line. Remember, super pigmented, and tap off all the dusty bits. We'll smooth that line out in a minute. So we're going up in an upward motion. And soften out this line here. You can always do what I see a lot of people do, including makeup artists, is use concealer to do your nice straight line up there, like that. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of lightness to this, and it's going to be in the form of a little bit of concealer. I know people are probably shouting, going, "Hey, don't put concealer on your eyes." But actually it serves as a really good cutting in tool. I'm not going to cut in because I've just blended that bit out, but I did want to lighten this bit up a little bit because we'll put a bit of the Python in there, don't we? A little bit of glittery. Old lady eyes. Brush moves everything around. Girls, that's what you got to look forward to. The eyeballs going everywhere. Right, so actually that looks really, really nice. That light a bit now. So we're going with the teeniest bit of sparkle, just to bring it all together. And it's the middle one called Python, that one there. We're going to go just a little bit there, a little bit there. Blend it in a bit. Mascara, I'm going to use Kyle Lash because it's nice, really dark black. And Hayley, there you have snakebite tutorial that you requested. Tiny bit on the lips. And there we are. Thanks for watching. See ya.